guys. Hello. Hello. What's up? Hello. Alright, that's all the stuff. Anyways, alright, let me explain the real part of this video. Joey Code putting blades together. Alright, well, we got the first blade put on. That's good. Now, this is the motor, by the way. Really awesome motor. That's just vinyl tee. Oh, yeah, we actually got some more fans here. So, literally all my fans. Look at all of this. Like, it's so good. Stuff. This is my whole fan collection. Whoa. When you get Connects for Christmas, what you do? Oh well, let's build a whole car and crap. What I do. You know exactly what I gotta do what I gotta do. I hate to say it. Watch, FPB's gonna put this next one on. Oh yeah, fun fact about this fan. I'm not gonna do any wobbly ceiling fan photos, but the blades can come off. I might do some wobbly ceiling fan videos with the socket fan. Oh yeah, top one don't spin. Top one's the light, bottom one's the fan. I did do an unboxing video on that. Well, no I didn't. I didn't get to. Yeah, sorry about that. It wasn't really. I mean, it wasn't really cool, but who cares? Oh, it's a piece. Gonna put this next one on. Why me? Oh, the way this guy's made, though. Yes, this is a Melissa and Doug Chef Pee Pee puppet thing. I hope. I don't know. I didn't see the bug. I just unboxed him. Well, who cares? Oh, listen. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put this later off. Just make time to click off. That one's good. Three square. Yep. Yes, it's my daily duty to do this. Every time I get a new fan that's new in box, before I hang it up, I always put the blades on.
So I suggest you wipe that stupid smile off your face before I come over there and smack it off. You feeling strong, my friend? Call me Elf one more time. He's an angry elf. It's you. I wasn't ready for that.
Oh yeah, we're watching Elf in the background. Please don't copyright that, YouTube.
I don't care if you're nuts. I don't care if you're nuts. I don't care if you're my son. Get out of my life now.
Dang. Some father hates him. What's crazy?
Hi, it's me. Just tell me how the pitch went. What did you do there, Walter? It's Christmas Eve.
Walter, breakthrough. We found this in the conference room. What is it? It's Miles Finch's notebook. This thing is chock full of genius ideas. I mean, look at that.
The best idea is about a peach that lives on a farm.
What's more vulnerable than a peach? I think we should go to the first pitch. It's genius. How much time we got? We got like 45 minutes. Well, come on, let's try to get a storyboard or something. Well, let's try. No, you can't sit down and get a storyboard ready. Go and get a storyboard ready. Sorry, I really can relax. Add crayon. Add the cookie.
Trying to get a screw on. That's not good. Oh well, who cares? Dang, I didn't know it took me over 7 minutes to get 5 plates put together.
As well, we did a big launch fast to get the company back on track. So I think this is my final board next.
Oh,
Before I get into the story, yourself, okay?
Dad, I gotta talk to you.
What is it?
Buddy ran away.
What?
Nothing, no. I'm scared, Dad. He's fine.
Is this a meeting?
Figure out what. Buddy cares about everything. Think of it as yourself.
What? Wait. We're gonna have to reschedule this morning. We don't have time to reschedule. I want to get the damn thing to have sundown. Don't tell me what the deal is. Can't we do this another time, Mr. Greenway? I flew in just to hear this speech, and I intend to. I have to wait. If you want to keep your job, Holmes, you will pitch me this book.
alright, guys. We got all 5 plates put together.
Yeah.
So yeah, Merry Christmas. Probably not the only video of today.
Hobbs, you walked out of here, and you're finished at Greenway. You're finished.
Alright, well, that's it for now, guys. Well, just kidding. I'm gonna put some more details. I don't know what more details you can use. No, I don't know, so I'll put an extra screw. I'll probably use. Wait. Bro's feeling the ale. Buddy's just a chill guy. I don't even think he cares. Oh yeah, I don't know which one's the fan and which one's the light, so we'll find out when we hang it up, hopefully tonight. was impossible to get this flipping chain on.
I'm not an elf, Santa.
I can't do anything.
Buddy, you're more of an elf than anyone I ever met. The only one who I would want working on my sleigh.
I'll try. I'll bet on you, Hal.
You gotta find it first. Drop out the sleigh, back over there a ways.
The engine.
Oh, buddy. Oh, Mr. Elf.
I'm standing here outside Central Park where it is unclear exactly what has happened. What we do know is that authorities have closed the park and
Alright guys, update. I can't get the chain on. I got the first chain on, but I can't get the other one on. I don't even think my dad can either, so. Goodbye guys. Yeah. This is the game review. Still got out of there, just Chef BB. And Time TV Man. So goodbye guys. Merry Christmas. Yeah.